What's up, you guys? I hope you're fine. I am also doing great. Last week I caught a flu and it really got me, like ilinishika hivi. So that's why you didn't see any vlog. I was really blocked. Like I couldn't even speak. Right now I'm doing better because you guys can see I'm smiling and yeah, so I just received a package from Kilimall and I want us to unbox together. Here it is. Yep. You guys can guess what we have. Let me unbox so that you can see. Guys, now let's cook delicious supper before we sleep. I'm gonna be having ugali today.
The next morning.
Hi guys, good morning. I hope you guys are doing fine. Like I am. It's another morning, it's another day. So I want to get ready to go to work. Right now I'm preparing breakfast and then I just leave, but I have a lot of things to do today. So I want to, first of all, I will carry that food, and then after job I'm going to go and do some shopping because my house is so dry, like I don't have anything to use. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing a lot. Let's do this. Let me go and shower and then I take my breakfast, then we leave. Done, guys, with the shower. So I love applying this Vaseline on my face and then I apply lotion on the other parts of the body. So I have not showed you the outfit of the day, guys. Let me finish up applying my something on my face. So I stopped moisturizing with Aramis. I started using Vaseline and I feel like it's doing justice to my face. So let me first show you the outfit. So okay, it's not clear. It's not clear. Anyway, guys, I'll do it in portrait and then I show you guys. But yeah, let me take my breakfast. It's now 7:30. Na hiyo ndio time nafaa kutoka, but let me take my breakfast and leave. Hata mtu akichelewa siku moja haina shida, si ndio? Finally, guys, I'm on my way to school and I've not done my hair, I've not taken breakfast. Yani vile hiyo nywele imenisumbua, imebidi nitoke tu kama sijaitengeneza. I can see my students are coming. I don't know what's up. Okay. Nilikuwa nakula machungwa. So I've only taken an orange, guys. Imagine I've not taken breakfast because of this hair. This hair has really stressed me this morning. That's why mimi napenda tu kushika hapa juu and I just go. So yeah, let me go and see if I can get someone to do it for me in the staff room. Let me hear why my students are going home. Kwani mnaenda wapi? Oh, wazazi wenu hawajakuja? Sawa. I had forgotten they have Parents' Day today. Oh, I don't want them to see me filming. So guys, we'll talk later. Bye-bye. Guys, when I got from work, I decided, you know what? Let me wash these clothes because, hey, the laundry basket was almost full, you guys. The market is not a priority. You can even go tomorrow. I know you guys can relate to that feeling when you have clean clothes. Hey, it feels good. Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, baby? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, baby? Oh, feel me, baby. Hey guys, so I'm done washing my clothes. So I want to cook quite fast and I want to cook my favorite meal. Okay, it's a quick fix that I love. Rice and chicken. Let me first cook the rice really fast and then I show you how I've been packed for chicken. Yani, the new pedi I have, full of surprises, guys. I love measuring my water when I'm cooking rice. I don't know about you. Also, I love washing my rice. I came to discover that some people actually don't wash rice. They just cook it directly. Where Mimi, it can never be me. So guys, here is my chicken. It was packed in this colorless polythene paper. Now you guys, okay, this chicken comes directly from someone's shamba. But tell me why the feathers are just staring at me. Yani leo I've seen, this guy has overdone. Hata hakuwa na time ya kutoa feathers. The whole of the skin has a lot of feathers. Me, I don't like this. And some of these feathers are dirty, you know. Today's chicken has not really made me happy, but I'm gonna remove all these feathers. Okay, it really shows that the chicken is from the farm. Okay, I don't dispute that. But then, why give me the chicken full of feathers? Ebu, look at this. Ni kama ilimsumbua sana. Mimi, today, I'm not pleased totally. I wasn't pleased. Ebu, we wash this chicken and see if we can remove those pieces of feathers and the dirt. Too much work.
A few moments later.
As usual, you guys, I only add onions in my chicken. So let us add onions. The chicken is ready and I can feel the aroma already. You don't even need to add so many things in your chicken when you're eating it with rice. My food is ready, guys. Let us serve ourselves and then we have a taste. Tuone kama ni tamu. But the rice has cooked really well. I like it. Even the meat is okay. Here we go. Hey, ndio hiyo. Okay, I don't know why my phone camera is not clear, but yeah, my food is ready, you guys. Ona hiyo boshi. It's steaming hot. I usually taste the other days, but today, ni kama hii chakula ni moto excess, so I'm fearing it. But let's taste the rice alone. Ona hiyo moshi. Let's just taste. As usual, iko sawa. Yeah. Let me just wait for it to cool down and then I eat and sleep.
The next day.
Hii ni pimia za 70 kilo. super tired. As you can see, my hair is already looking so bad. I'm tired of that day of shopping. So I'm gonna relax and then maybe edit. Thank you for watching up to this far. If you've reached here, please like my vlog. Don't forget to like. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this far. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. It's already long. I need to edit. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye.